Hey there, drone enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest in the world of UAVs. Today, we're diving into the exciting realm of mini drones. These pint-sized marvels have come a long way, packing incredible features into compact designs. So get ready to soar with us as we unveil the top 5 mini drones of 2024. Number 5, DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3's weight is maybe its most distinctive attribute. Weighing less than 249 grams, or about the same as a baseball, it is underweight enough to qualify for registration in many nations, including the US. This means you'll have less paperwork to deal with and more freedom to explore. Its collapsible form adds to its portability by allowing it to tuck neatly into a big pocket or backpack. Don't be fooled by the little size. The 4K HDR video capturing capabilities of the DJI Mini 3 are quite remarkable. This implies that you can record amazing aerial video that has a greater dynamic range, rich colors, and detailed features. It's ideal for displaying landscapes and action scenes, as well as for capturing those memorable travel moments. The DJI Mini 3 allows you to fly for an extended period of time, up to 40 minutes on a single battery. This frees you up to explore larger spaces and take longer shots without having to worry about having to make a fast trip back. Furthermore, the drone has a commendable 38 km/a wind resistance, level 5, which guarantees steady flight even in somewhat windy circumstances. Number 4, DJI Mavic 3 Classic. In 2024, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic expands the possibilities of small drones with its unmatched features and performance in a small package. A new benchmark for aerial photography and filmmaking is set by the Mavic 3 Classic's cutting-edge technology and creative design. The Mavic 3 Classic's robust camera system produces breathtaking photos and movies with amazing clarity and detail. With every shot, its Hasselblad camera produces results worthy of a professional photographer, because to its huge sensor and sophisticated optics. With the Mavic 3 Classic, you may capture breathtaking vistas, action scenes, or dramatic scenes with outstanding image quality. The remarkable flying performance of the Mavic 3 Classic is one of its most notable qualities. With its cutting-edge motor technologies and sophisticated flying algorithms, this little drone provides unmatched airborne stability, agility, and response. The Mavic 3 Classic offers a stable and dependable flying experience whether you're maneuvering through confined locations or flying in inclement weather. The Mavic 3 Classic offers exceptional performance together with an abundance of clever features and automation capabilities. You may quickly and simply snap dynamic pictures and artistic compositions with no effort while using advanced flight modes such as Active Track, Point of Interest, and Waypoints. Obstacle avoidance technology is another element of the Mavic 3 Classic that guarantees hassle-free and safe flying. The Mavic 3 Classic is made to be portable and easy to use. With its long battery life and folding form, it's easy to transport and use in any setting and guarantees longer flight hours for more productive sessions. For all your aerial image needs, the Mavic 3 Classic offers unparalleled performance and versatility, whether you're a professional photographer, filmmaker, or enthusiast. When looking for a small drone that offers superb image quality, simple flying, and smart features, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic is an intriguing option. Its small size, powerful camera technology, and intuitive features make it a flexible tool for taking beautiful pictures. Your aerial photography and filmmaking will soar with the Mavic 3 Classic, whether you're an experienced photographer, an aspiring content developer, or just a person who enjoys the beauty of the world from above. Number 3, Skydio 2 Plus Drone. Are you an aspiring adventurer or filmmaker looking to capture breathtaking aerial footage without having to deal with complicated controls? The Skydio 2 Plus drone is the only one to look for. This tiny marvel, which offers a special combination of excellent autonomous flight, remarkable image quality, and user-friendly functionality, redefines what is possible for small drones. The Skydio 2 Plus excels at being autonomous, in contrast to conventional drones that need continuous operator input. It almost flies itself thanks to its sophisticated obstacle avoidance and subject tracking systems. Imagine being able to follow a mountain biker through a meandering track or record amazing cliffside maneuvers while staying well away from obstructions. The Skydio 2 Plus uses a wide range of sensors to sense its environment. This consists of 6 high-definition cameras that project a 360-degree image of the surroundings, enabling the drone to autonomously navigate challenging areas and steer clear of obstacles. The Skydio 2 Plus is ideal for novices or pilots who wish to concentrate on getting the ideal shot without worrying about crashing because of its high level of intelligence. The Skydio 2 Plus is not to be underestimated despite its diminutive size. It is a powerful image quality tool. Its 1/2 3-inch CMOS 4K HDR camera produces seamless high dynamic range films and incredibly clear images. The Skydio 2 Plus produces amazing clarity and rich colors, whether you're capturing a snow-capped mountain range or a vibrant coral reef. In addition, the 3-axis gimbal guarantees buttery smooth stabilization, doing away with the undesired jitters and shaking that are sometimes observed in drone footage. This turns into videos that look amazing and will astound your audience. The Skydio 2 Plus array of AI-powered flight modes allows it to go beyond intelligence. With only a single swipe, you may record distinctive cinematic scenes thanks to these pre-programmed actions. Without using the drone's manual controls, picture yourself skillfully recording a perfect orbit around a subject, following a moving vehicle with ease, or spectacularly unveiling a hidden countryside. The Skydio 2 Plus is really easy to use. The accompanying mobile app has an easy-to-use interface, shows a live video feed, facilitates simple flight path planning, and gives access to all of the autonomous flight modes. You may use a few touches on the screen of your smartphone to fully utilize the Skydio 2 Plus' creative capabilities. The Skydio 2 Plus is designed to endure weather conditions. Its lightweight design combined with durability makes it ideal for outdoor activities and travel. You can explore more and take more pictures with its remarkable flight time of up to 27 minutes on a single charge. Safety is the top priority for the Skydio 2 Plus, despite its autonomous capabilities. A stress-free flying experience is guaranteed by the previously stated obstacle avoidance technology, in conjunction with functions like autonomous landing and return to home. Looking for a top-notch, easy-to-use drone to record breathtaking aerial video? Who wish to record, from a different angle, their bike rides, treks, and other outdoor activities, searching for a small, lightweight drone to record amazing aerial photos during their travels. Who wouldn't want to enjoy the rush of drone flying without having to deal with the difficulties of manual piloting? Number 2. Autel Evo Lite Plus. As the best small drone of 2024, the Autel Evo Lite Plus stands out thanks to its innovative features and superb performance in a small package. For both amateurs and pros, the Evo Lite Plus establishes a new benchmark with its cutting-edge technology and user-friendliness. The Evo Lite Plus is outfitted with a potent camera that records magnificent 4K video and 20-megapixel still images. This camera produces amazing aerial footage that is remarkably clear and detailed. Its 3-axis gimbal makes sure that film is steady and fluid even in difficult flying situations, making it simple for users to take breathtaking pictures. The Evo Lite Plus's high-capacity battery and effective power management technology allow for a longer flight period of up to 40 minutes on a single charge, which is one of its most notable characteristics. Users now have more time to explore their surroundings and get the ideal image without having to continually land and recharge thanks to this increased flight time. The Evo Lite Plus has an amazing camera, but it also has a number of features and sophisticated flight modes that make flying even more enjoyable. These include sophisticated obstacle avoidance sensors to help avert crashes during flight, including GPS and GLONASS location for accurate navigation. Number 1. DJI Mini4 Pro. Presenting the DJI Mini4 Pro, the ultimate small drone of 2024. With its cutting-edge features and capabilities, this small but mighty drone is the ideal travel companion for professionals, aviation enthusiasts, and tourists alike. Bid adieu to unsteady video transmissions. With a range of up to 20 kilometers FCC and enhanced quality, the DJI O3 Plus video transmission system guarantees a dependable connection between your controller and the drone. The improved flying performance of the DJI Mini4 Pro is its key feature. With its aerodynamic shape and finely tuned motors, this drone provides unmatched stability and agility in the air. The Mini4 Pro offers smooth and accurate flying control, whether you're shooting gorgeous scenery or navigating through confined quarters. The Mini4 Pro's amazing camera system is one of its most notable features. Guys, there concludes our top 5 best mini drones of 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.